Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use landscape mode. After that, you're working. What you just need to do here is just to raise your hand up. Okay, raise your hand up. Then when you raise your hand up, you stay like that for a few seconds. Okay, then after that, you can now bring your hand down. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, you are going to be clicking on CapCut. Click on new video there. Import your video to workspace. Okay, you are going to be clicking on your video to click on volume. We reduce it to 0. You mark on this good and go back. Click on this empty background and go and look for freeze. We need to freeze this place. Okay, locate freeze, then you freeze this part. Now click on this first one and delete it. Okay, you click on the last part, which is the video, and look for overlay. Then you overlay it. Click on the background and drag it to the duration of your video. You come back, click on the second layer and drag it to the beginning, which is your video. Okay, locate where you want this video to start from. Before your hand comes up, we are going to be splitting this point, so you make a split here to delete this first part. Still click it to drag it to the beginning. Okay, so at this point now, what we are going to be doing is to review, expound the video for a clearer view. Okay, expound it and position yourself. After doing the necessary adjustment here, now the next thing is to locate this part before your hand comes down. Before your hand comes down, we are going to be making a split at this very point here. Okay, so you are going to be splitting it here before your hand comes down. Okay, so make a split here, then you go as your hand comes down. Before this place, you make another split and delete that last one. Come back now and locate that point where your hand is raised up already. We are going to be making a split here now. Make a split here, guys. Then after that, you are going to go and look for mask. Okay, click it and locate mask. Okay, click on mask now, guys. Click on mask, click on circle. Then you are going to come and circle this your hand. Take time to do your circling so that it will look good. Okay, so you can see what I am doing. If you are done circling it, you can play with that feather icon by dragging it down a little bit. After that, you mark on this good here. Then I will be telling you the next thing we are going to be doing. Mark on this good here. If you are done circling, then you screenshot this part. Screenshot here right now. Then you click it and cropple it. Okay, resize it, cropple it. After doing your croppling, you are going to be clicking on done to save it to your phone, to your gallery. Okay, so do your croppling. After that, mark on that done there. As you click on done now, you save to photo. Then you come back. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on mask again. Then you click on invert. Then mark on this good and go back. Then mark on this arrow here. As you click on this arrow, you click on overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay. Click on photo there to import that your hand that you worked on. So import this hand to workspace. Go and look for remove BG, guys. Locate remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. Mark on that good. You go back. Now you are going to use your hand, your two thumbs, and make sure you resize this your hand to look like the original one. So take time to do your necessary adjustment. You can see what I am doing. If you don't know how it looked before, check the first video, then you come ahead. That is what I did now. Check the first video, then you come back, then you still expound it to make it look good. Okay, after doing these necessary adjustments here now, you will make sure that the two video that they align with the each other. So you are going to be clicking it to make it align. Then still click it and drag it to that splitted point and still make it to align in that side as well. Then you come back. You are going to be clicking on this video to click on effect. Okay, so click on the video, locate effect, click on effect, body effect. Okay, This is what we are supposed to be using here. That's human effect that is round, but click on clone. That is where it is, in case if you don't see it in your own. So you have to go to clone. When you click on clone, then you click it. This is what we have got now. Okay, then after this you mark on this good and go back. So this is what we have got. Okay, so we are going to be playing this video from the beginning now. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect if need be, and after that you are going to be exporting this video to your gallery. Okay, this is fantastic. So after that, the next thing now is to click on export. All right, then you allow this video to export to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there that is willing to learn. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. If you have watched up to this point, it means you want to learn. Don't hesitate to chat me up in case anything is confusing to you, and I am going to put you through. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.